The key differences between the PIA-approved Hypoclamp and Hypocut. The PIA-approved Hypoclamp consists of a plastic wedge and an integrated opening bail, a metallic body, and a shim. The PIA-approved Hypoclamp is designed to terminate fiber optic flat drop cables, for example, SST feeder cable. The PIA-approved Hypocut is delivered in two parts, a stainless steel body and a plastic wedge equipped with an integrated opening bail. The Hypocut is used with drop cables during the customer connection phase of installation. This is the only clamp to be used with the Corning Rock drop cable or the easy access from CommScope. The Hypocut features a cutting mechanism which will cut the cable in case of excess load. This ensures the engineer's safety. The Hypocut and Hypoclamp can both be installed quickly and easily due to their toolless design. These clamps prevent cable damage, maintain a strong network connection, and improve the safety of engineers. Telenco UK, developing tomorrow's networks today.